But is it weird to think that these plug holes are more secure than the spot welds? Because that's the way I feel. All right, welcome back. Today, actually shooting the day of, and it's 4:30, so hopefully this will get out before midnight. But I'm gonna try to plug some screw holes. That's about all I plan on doing today. I don't know how long I'll get to be out here because I gotta do some other things today, but we'll at least get a few of these plugged. Maybe that back pan. Try to get all those plugged, and if I get those done, then we'll move up on this front pan here. And once we get all those done, we'll come back and address the inner rocker. Probably take it off and maybe drill out those holes to get a better spot weld in there and attach it. After that, then we're going to grind all the welds down, especially that one in the corner that's terrible looking, and the one on the upper firewall and transmission tunnel. It looks bad as well. But anyways, sit you up there. We'll throw some weld in some holes, and hopefully they'll stay.
Well, I think we did it. Didn't clean that one very good. But is it weird to think that these plug holes are more secure than the spot welds? 'Cause that's the way I feel. But we got that hole filled up. Just need to do some grinding. A little bit of touch up that we need to do. But so far I haven't anything that I could get under. Kind of put a weld across, especially towards the top up here. But most of this stuff is stuck. And the plug welds looked a whole lot better than the spot welds. You can see one of my plug welds. I think that's what it's supposed to look like instead of that. But this is the bad part. All this is attached and it's, I don't know what to do about it, but I mean, it's not popping loose. I'm gonna grind it back a little bit, see if I can't blend it in better. And then that's, just needs, I don't know what, but we'll address it later. And all this needs to be ground down. But can officially say it's in there. See right there. That one didn't stick. That one did. That's a plug right there. So might be some, I don't know if that's that big of an issue, that little bit right there. But you may ground that down, there'll be a hole still there. So what we need to do is start the grinding and get it relatively smooth. But yeah, feel good now that they're in, and I'm pretty confident they're not going anywhere. Give me one last look at my expert welding ability.
Well, I think that'll do it for me today. So we just plug weld all that. I was surprised I made it that fast to it, but yeah, plug welds seem like they held better than the spot welds. I know there will be touch-ups that we have to do, but next time we're just gonna grind and see what it reveals. Then maybe if you've got enough time, plug those up, grind it back down, and then hopefully, I don't know if I should put seam sealer now or if I should wait until I get it how I want it and then put seam sealer on everything and then prime it, or what. I'm not sure on that. I don't know how to do paint and body. But let me know in the comments if, once I get it ground down and how I like it, if I should seam seal it first or if I can just keep going and not worry about it. But anyways, I think we're in a good spot. Next time we're gonna grind, like I said, and touch up, and if there's enough time, look at this inner rocker again and then get it fit right. And once we get that, we'll put the kick panel back on it and start spot welding it too. There's quite a few on it that goes up on the inner fender here, and then the cabin firewall here, as well as that big spot here and down here to kind of tie it all in together. But like I said, once we get that done, we'll flip it around and we'll go over the driver's side, what I plan to do with it. And hopefully that won't take as long, since I'm not gonna be taking everything out like I did this side. And it'll be faster to do, I guess you could say. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Gonna be something with the Bronco. We're trying to get it back on the road. I guess that'll do it for me today. I'm gonna put some steaks on the grill and go hang out with the family. So thank you for watching. Like again, it does mean a lot to the channel. We'll hit this again pretty soon. I make them up tomorrow and go ahead and film for Monday, because I'm in the zone just trying to get this all squared away. So hopefully next couple of videos we'll have all this done, and then hopefully by a week from today we'll flip the Bronco around and be working on the driver's side. But anyways, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.